Magandang gabi po ng Monday, March 24, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, March 24, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 5 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 24, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, March 24, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, March 24, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Monday, March 24, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.